if you mean to refer to information or reports about recent events, the word to use in English is news. News, always with an S at the end. It might sound a bit strange because this is a singular word, because it is uncountable. So you might think that this comes because it's a plural word. No, the word is news, ending in an S, uncountable, and therefore singular. And you never, ever use this as a noun with this meaning. No, you can never say this. Because it's singular and countable, you can say, that's very good news. Notice there is nothing here, there's no article. That's very good news. You can also find the saying, no news is good news, as you can see ending in S. Or if I have some important information to share with you, I could say, wait till you hear the news. I've got a promotion at work, whatever. Wait till you hear the news. Like this. As I've been saying, it's uncountable. So if you feel the need to actually say one, which perhaps it's not that important, but anyway, if you feel the need to say it, the expressions you can use are a piece of news, or some news. This is perhaps more frequently used. Some news. So for example, you would say, I heard the news on the radio. If you refer to the TV show, you can say, I always watch the news. Or I read the news last night. But as you can see, all the time ending in S. You can also use the expression a news story. For example, if it's something that is written on a newspaper. The newspaper ran the news story. Or if you're talking about television or perhaps a radio, you could say, there was a news report about whatever last night. There was a news report. So, these expressions are correct. I've read some interesting news, or I've heard some interesting news. But you could never, ever say this or this.